Let's deploy the AR to Android. First, you need to open the package manager. Window and package manager. You will see these panels over here. And then after that, you need to check over here, package in project. You should click here and go to the Unity registry and type in search panel just AR. You will see AR Foundation and as well as AR Core, AR Kit. First, we need to install AR Foundation. If you're using the Android, you need to install the AR Core. But just be careful, I'm using the Unity version of 2021. The version of AR Foundation is 4.2.6 because versions are quite sensitive. So if you're using the different version, you need to check if your version is working correctly or not. Let's create the one cube. The size of the cube, I think 1 meter is too large to see in your mobile, so I will change into just 20 centimeter. And then move it to the Z direction a bit because later default setup of AR camera is looking at Z axis. So I just move into the like 50 centimeters of Z direction. And then just to see it properly, I will rotate it a bit rather than just flat image. In the hierarchy, right click and go to the XR, open the AR session origin. After that, again, XR and AR session. And then just to make sure you can turn off your main camera. Now I think it's ready to deploy. You need to connect your device to your laptop or desktop and then open your settings. So because we need to debugging USB mode, go to the settings and if you scroll down, you will see here about tablet, or if you're using the phone, you will see the about phone. Click this and then inside of there, you see this one, build number, and click this 7 times. You will see these options over here, developer option. So click that. Scroll down. You will see USB debugging, right? So enable USB debugging, and then now everything is ready. So go back to the Unity, save the scene, and then open the build settings. In here, first thing you need to do is change your platform to Android. So click the switch platform. And then go to the player settings. Well, make sure if it is selected Android. And first, let's change the name of the company. And then let's change the name of the product. Scroll down, select other settings inside of there. Disable AutoGraphic API. Delete Vulkan. Then disable multi-threaded rendering. And then scroll down. The minimum API level, select the API level 26. And then scripting backend, you need to change IL to CPP. Disable ALM version 7 and then tick to the ALM 64. After that, you need to go to the XR plugin management and then select AR Core. And everything is ready. And then just make sure if you selected your device over here, build and run. Create a new folder which is build or whatever you want, but you make sure if it is created outside of the assets. You cannot create a folder inside of the assets. Put it the name, save it. So after building is done, you will see the icon of your first AR app here, first AR. And now it works with the AR. And you will see this cube in front of your face.